I live in the Caribbean, it's an area with no real winter. Are there any types of flower bulbs that don't require winter chill? And this is from Marisa via YouTube.
Yeah.
Don't require any.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, because they have no real winter in the Caribbean, right?
And they can grow paper whites. I'm assuming when they say bulbs, I mean, in my mind, they were thinking spring, like daffodils.
Right.
Would you have thought that?
I thought the same thing.
The daffodils,
right.
the crocus, and the tulips, our typical traditional spring blooming, bulbs. And I thought, yeah, they can grow amaryllis.
Amaryllis is what I thought.
They can grow paper white because both of those plants are native to the Middle East, which is what makes them go dormant, or their blooming cycle is wet, dry. Wet, dry.
Wet, dry. Okay.
Not cold temperatures, chilling temperatures like the buttercups need and the crocus need and the tulips. They need, and hyacinths need, a period of cold treatment before they will flower. Well, paper whites and amaryllis do not. When you buy those little kits, what makes them start flowering is you start watering them.
Right.
They come out of that dormancy and bloom. And then, so that would be one thing. Now, they would have to manipulate the water to make them go dormant, in the Caribbean. So if they want to grow them as pot plants. And what I do with my amaryllis, after they flower, I'll let the foliage come on out and grow, because it needs the foliage to be there for a while to make the nutrients, to make the bulb that's going to make the flowers next year. And then at the end of the summer, or whenever they want to do it in the Caribbean, because they're summer all the time, is just turn them on their side in the pot and dry them out and just stick them somewhere. Yeah, so I just throw them in my garage in the wintertime. Of course, the wintertime is when you do it. There's others too, crinum lilies.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about lilies.
Yeah,
sure.
crinum lilies, gladiola.
Okay.
Same thing. So they have some choices.
So there's some choices there.
Yep.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.